Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Latium, and we're going to show you how to earn Bitcoin without any investment. And don't worry if you don't want Bitcoin or anything like that. You can also, I'm going to show you later in the video, where you can go and exchange that Bitcoin for cash. So you can get obviously cash out as well. So stay tuned right to the very end for that. So let's jump over to the desktop. Let's run through how you're going to go and earn Bitcoin on Latium. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about today obviously is what is Latium. Now Latium is a top freelancing website where you can actually go and get paid in Bitcoin, in other cryptocurrencies, and also cash as well. And I'm going to show you and walk you through how you can join Latium, how you can then go and earn, what you have to do to earn, how you're going to get paid, and also how then you can exchange that money that you get paid. So if you get paid in Bitcoin, you can also exchange it to other cryptocurrencies or into dollars as well. Okay, so let's crack straight on with the first thing. Like I say, what is Latium? Now, Latium obviously is a freelancer website where you can go and create a free account. And then you can obviously post jobs of things that people are going to want to pay you to do. Now, don't worry too much if you haven't got any skills or anything like that, because there is a way, and I'm going to show you that right at the very end, where you could still earn from Latium without having any of these skills yourself. So how do we go and join and set up? Well, it's very easy to do. From their homepage, you just click on the sign up for free. Okay, so you click on that, put in your email address here. Okay, click on the I am a robot, and then what you then do is head over to your email account and obviously confirm your email address, literally just by clicking on the confirm email button here. This will then go through various other different information that you actually obviously have to put in to just set up your profile, and then obviously you are good to go. So if you are looking at doing this, I would obviously spend a bit of time on your profile. It says about putting a bio in there, things like that, and obviously you have to put in all your skills that you've got, and obviously the things that you're going to be actually aiming to post jobs about to actually earn on Latium. So like I say, take some care over that and set that all up correctly before you then obviously go and post a job. So once you've set that up, we now want to find out how you can actually earn. Now, as you can see here, we've got browse features here, browse services here. And as you can see, all the different services that you can actually do here. So you've got graphics and design, you've got logo design, you've got all sorts here, digital marketing, you've got writing and translation. You've also got video animation, music and audio, program tech, business and lifestyle as well. So plenty of things here that you could possibly actually go and do here, guys. Little jobs and micro jobs that people are after, that you could then do those jobs and obviously then get paid, and they can pay you in Bitcoin as well. So if we head over to one of these jobs, and if so, for argument's sake, let's just go to digital marketing, and this will bring up a selection. So let's try social media marketing, pretty common thing here. And as you can see here, these are various different people that have set up their actual profile, and this is a job, and this one says I will give you 1,000 real and non-drop Facebook likes starting at $10. Now if we actually click on this and just look at it, okay, so this tells you a little bit more about the actual job that he's looked. And as you can see here, it says here coins accepted. So he accepts dollars and he accepts Bitcoin. So the people that want this job could pay in Bitcoin or in US dollars. Now you could set up, when you set up your job here, you're posting your job, you could obviously set up how you want to get paid. So if you only want to get paid in Bitcoin, you could only get paid in Bitcoin if you wanted to. But that's how easy it is. So you just got to choose a service that you want to be able to give, and then obviously post a job. You can then boost the job, and obviously then people will see it, and then you can do the job and then get paid. Now, once you've actually got paid, there is on the same platform, there is an exchange. Okay, so you can come into here and you can actually exchange your Bitcoin for various other things. So it says here you've got Bitcoin to US dollars at the moment is 39,501 is a Bitcoin. So obviously you could do that. You could do Ethereum to Bitcoin if you wanted to, Ethereum to USD, like I say, and there are loads of other ones in here as well. You've got Litecoin as well, which you could actually do as another alternative. Like I say, there are plenty of different ways you can actually put on here, guys, that you can actually use. So how much is it going to cost you to get set up? Well, they do a freelancer plans here. And as you can see, they do a free account for starters. Okay, so you can actually get started for free and actually post one of your service listings for free. You can obviously apply for unverified projects. You can add unlimited freelancer portfolios, and your project fees are as low as 10%. Okay, so that means that once your project has been paid, then Latium themselves will take 10% fee for finding that for using their platform. Okay, now if you went and got verified, now to get verified is only a one-off cost of just $12. Okay, a one-time fee, $12. You can then post up to 3 service listings. You can get access to the verified only projects. Okay, you can display the verified badge on your avatar, and you can get add unlimited freelancer portfolios. Okay, but the main thing is the project fees then go down as low as 5%. So the actual fees are halved, guys. So that is well worth probably doing the $12 one-time fee. They do also do a pro, which is $9 a month, but that also means that you don't have to do the $12 verification. So in other words, you're getting your first 1 1/3 months free anyway. But then you can obviously post unlimited service listings, and your project fees could be as low as 0%. So in other words, they don't charge you any fees for paying their $9 a month. So if you're going to actually be doing a lot of jobs here, well worth getting the monthly pro, because obviously then you're not going to be paying any fees further down the line. So guys, that's how easy it is to go and earn Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on the Latium website. Now, if you were someone that thought, well, I haven't got any of these skills, a little quick tip here. If you actually go across to a site called Fiverr.com, and this is very similar to Latium, and I've actually done some videos on this before, and this is another freelance site. Now, you could go and actually find something that you are obviously interested in, go and post a job about it, and get the person at Fiverr to do the job. And as long as you have priced it so that you're actually going to get more from Latium than what you are going to be paying out on Fiverr, you could actually do that, guys, if you wanted to. I don't recommend it, because obviously it's better to obviously do it yourself, because then you're going to get more profit out of it, and you're not going to probably earn an awful lot by going through Fiverr. But it is a way, if you were getting started and you wanted to earn some money online and some Bitcoin online, you could do it that way as well, guys. So certainly check out Latium here, and you can basically start getting work from day one here, guys, and start earning different coins and cash. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to watch these videos next. These are all about other ways you can earn Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as well. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.